We've all been to the store and we've seen the high prices of food, especially fish. Fish has really gone through the roof in price. So tonight on Keto Journey, because this is what I'm making for supper, I'm going to video it and show you how to make Spalmon. Now, Spalmon is a really interesting dish. I was able to catch this Spalmon in a stream not far from here. It's maybe a couple of miles from me. It's called Walmart. Now, it's a very, very energetic fish, and they come in various sizes and shapes, such as like this, where it's a smaller and much thinner Spalmon. This one is a more hard type skin to the Spalmon, but we're going to be able to do it. And just stick around and we're going to make Spalmon, and I'll show you how to do it. Remove the tough outer skin of the Spalmon, and now I'm going to cut it into sections for filleting. This is a neat little gadget to cut your Spalmon with because it gets kind of tough. So since fish is so expensive, I've resorted to Spalmon. Okay, so now what you have to do with this is very, very delicately, we're going to fillet this. So ever so delicately, because it is such a tender and a very tender fish. Well, that's our Spalmon fillet number one. We'll see if we can fillet any better on the others. I'm never going to get a job in a Spalmon market, that's for sure, because I can't seem to cut up the fillets good. But as long as it eats, that's all that matters. It doesn't have to be a pretty fillet. This one, that's our one more Spalmon fillet there. Alrighty, so there we go. Now the neat thing about this is this Spalmon also produces caviar. And here is the caviar. Right there. And if you scramble your eggs or something like that, it makes for great addition to scrambled eggs. Now tonight we're going to do fried eggs with it, but it'll be so good. So there you have Spalmon fillets and caviar from the same Spalmon. Now, I'm sure y'all have streams similar to the Walmart somewhere around you, so enjoy that and have fun with it. Now, I'm going to show you one last way to eat your Spalmon. Spalmon sushi. Very flavorful. Very flavorful. Spalmon sushi. Alrighty, I'm gonna get this Spalmon cooked up in the eggs and then we'll come back. You can see this Spalmon is done. It's golden brown on both sides, so it's ready to come off. Let me get a paper plate to put it on. You don't want to overcook the Spalmon because it gets tough when you overcook it. Let's see how we're doing here with the rest of it. Oh, that's looking real good too. That one is ready. That one is ready. Let me get this one out of the way. Alright. And I think that the Spalmon caviar is all set. So you've seen Spalmon 3 ways. And now I'm going to get the eggs out and cook in. So here comes the taste test from my lovely wife. Now, the hash brown casserole, cheesy cauliflower casserole. What do you think of it?
Very good. I like the peppers in it.
Good. Now, have you tried the Spalmon?
It's shaped like a fish.
That's because it's Spalmon.
Of course. How can Spalmon be so good?
Oh. So, we have a hit.
Eggs cooked just right.
We have a hit.
Yes.
And here is another economical meal that we have prepared. And you saw Spalmon prepared 3 ways. Spalmon sushi. We put Spalmon caviar into the cauliflower rice / cheesy rice casserole, cheesy hash brown casserole. And then we pan fried some. So hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll come back. Hit that like and subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a dime to hit the subscribe button, and it does me a whole lot of good. Until next time, this is Mike at Ketorific Journey saying, let's be careful out there.